Welcome. Today, you will learn how to use past regrets. How to use past regrets. Past regrets in English are used to express sadness, disappointment, or guilt about something that happened, or didn't happen, in the past.
I wish I had studied harder for the exam. If I had, I wouldn't have failed.
Yeah, I wish I had listened to your advice.
I wish we had asked the teacher for help before the test.
And I wish I had joined the study group.
I wish I had spoken up during the meeting.
I wish I had traveled when I had the chance.
I'm so tired today. If only I had gone to bed earlier last night.
Same here. If only I hadn't watched that extra episode, I'd feel more awake.
If only we had prepared our presentation yesterday, we wouldn't be rushing now.
If only I had printed the handouts this morning, we'd be ready.
The concert was amazing last night. If only you had come with me.
If only I hadn't forgotten to buy the tickets, I could have joined you. If only we had left earlier, we wouldn't have missed the opening act.
If only I had checked the traffic beforehand, we'd have arrived on time.
Summary. Past regrets. In English, past regret is when you talk about something you did or didn't do in the past, but now you feel sorry about it or wish it had been different. Thanks for watching. Practice using the past regrets to improve your communicative skills. See you next time.